Right guys, just a quick video this one. Obviously did my splitter yesterday. Well happy with it, loving it. Few people have asked or commented, oh, it doesn't fit GTI R bumpers. The company that I got my splitter from also do splitters for R bumpers and for GTI bumpers. I will leave links in the description of this video. The company that I got it from, I've actually been in touch with them. They're fantastic customer service. I've sent them the YouTube video, although they can't watch YouTube in China, so I had to do it via Mega NZ. Really helpful, nice guys. So yeah, I'll put links. I'll just post some pictures at the end of this video as well of the their adverts, and I'll put links in the video description, and I'll see you all in the next one.